Hey guys, welcome back. This is Keiron Hogg, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Commissions Made Simple. This is the first launch by Kiala Irwin and Imarenacu, and it goes live Friday, December 16th at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I have the members area access here, and of course I've got lots of great bonuses as well. We're going to check these out. We're going to see if it is the right program for you. We're going to talk about what I like, what I don't like about it, but how I have also compensated for it with my bonuses. So with that, anything else being said, I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, my friends. I just want to thank you for being here. This is my channel where I do tech reviews and other products to help you make money online. And if you do end up liking Commissions Made Simple, you want to get it through my link, stick around to the end. I've got an extra bonus for you. All right, guys, before we get into the members area, I'm just going to take you to my bonus page. We're going to learn a little bit more about Commissions Made Simple. So this is going to stay up until Monday, December 19th. So you got till midnight to get all of my bonuses. And Commissions Made Simple is a way for brand new people who want to learn how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. This is a step-by-step on how you can do that. So you're able to take advantage of the 2.3 billion daily users, creating no offers. You don't have to have any sales or worry about customer service, and you can make quite a lot of money doing so. So what is Commissions Made Simple all about? Simple is a system where you can take out all the mystery of what goes on behind the scenes as an affiliate marketer. This super straightforward course is going to simplify every question you ever had about making money online. So you'll be able to not worry about where to find good deals, know where and how to use an affiliate link, how to set up your affiliate profile so vendors will trust you, how to make a channel art for your YouTube channel, because if you want to be doing something like this is called launch jacking, where you do reviews of other people's products. You will be putting it up on YouTube. And also you can become an authority on your social media, how to find and give out valuable information and learn more info just waiting for you inside. So once inside CMS, you will be given information that has been sold for thousands of dollars, but they're going to give it to you for a one-time low cost. So let's check it out, guys. Here is the members area. Welcome to Commissions Made Simple. Here is Kiala Irwin. She is the creator of this, and also my friend Imarenacu, she also helped design this as well. So you can subscribe to their channels right there. And then here are all the video tutorials that you'll be getting. So welcome to Commissions Made Simple. Connect with the team. Click on your subscribe YouTube channel. Cheers to your success. Kiala Irwin, subscribe to her channel, subscribe to Imarenacu's. Now guys, first thing is going to learn how to whitelist their emails. I'm going to learn what is launch jacking, essentially what I am doing right now. The mindset needed for it, which is often overlooked by newbies who get into this field. And mandatory tools and equipment overview, Warrior Plus setup, JV Zoo setup. Those are the two of possibly the three biggest if you include ClickBank, on where the offers that a lot of affiliates, specifically in the digital making money niche, tend to promote. Okay, so those are the three main platforms. All right. Bonus, how to get your bonuses and tools, image hosting, how to set up your bonuses page, how to create and customize a bonus, how to create bonuses in Commission Gorilla. So if I just take you over here, this was all done on a website called Commission Gorilla. All right, we're going to check out my bonuses in just a moment and look at the price and the upsells. How to build a buyer's list and set up your review video, how to create your YouTube banner, how to find helpful tips for your channel, and why create helpful content, importance of rinse and repeat, and you can gain access to your bonuses right in here as well. Okay guys, so as you can see, it is just a very straightforward video tutorial setup. It's very easy, clear to understand, clear to recognize what video you're going to be watching. And then if you want to get the upgrade for the OTO one here. We can take a look at what that is in just a moment. But let me take you over to my bonuses as well. So this is going to show you how you can make money with your phone. So instead of, our phone is always with us, it is ubiquitous. Instead of just surfing, we can actually use it to make money. We're going to show you how you can do that. It's going to show you how you can build an email list easily. This is my own bonus that I custom tailored for you. This is email profit builders. So this is going to show you how you can build that list, and then also you can learn more information on how to build it even better and faster. And guys, this is also for newbies. So if you're in the affiliate marketing niche, you might come a time where you want to create your own website. This is how you can build a website for dummies, and I'm not calling you a dummy, I'm just showing you that it is step by step. My mega bonus bundle of 225 bonuses for free.
Groovy, baby!
That's right. And of course, there are vendor bonuses as well. To get all of these, guys, you just want to click on any of these yellow buttons that you see in my bonus page, which is going to be down in my YouTube description below. And then it will take you over to the sales page. And here's that. And just click on any of these, early bird, click here to join, and then that's going to take you to Warrior Plus. Click on that blue button there once inside Warrior Plus, and it will take you to my bonus page right here where you can access all of those bonuses. All right. Now, guys, let me take you to the sales page. This pretty straightforward sales page. I already showed you the main kind of header here. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. You can check this out on your own. And you've got a money back guarantee as well, a 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, so it's a very, very simple, straightforward sales page. And guys, let me take you now to the funnel here, the price and the upsell. So Commissions Made Simple. Now the front end at 97 is too much money in my opinion. Downsell of 19 is still a little bit high. So that is why I've added some really cool bonuses just to sweeten the deal, because for this kind of, it's a little bit high. So that's just my feeling on that. So with my bonuses, it makes it very, very attractive. All right, so my friend and offer is specialized in getting someone that's complete newbie that has no experience with making money online, turning them into a confident online making money beast with straightforward teaching, step-by-step tutorials, motivation, online underground techniques, and more. You will be given info that is already sold for thousands of dollars at a small and limited price, plus all my bonuses and my mega bonus bundle. Now the OTO 197, downsell of 27.97. So yeah, upsell is incredibly high, downsell is more reasonable. Just with the front end, you're not getting to be able to rank on YouTube and get conversions the way you want to. It's just the starter pack. Commissions Made Simple Insiders code. You will be given this underground technique that will make sure that you will definitely get better conversions. Now, I don't really know what that is, so I don't really know if I should be recommending it. So it's a little bit of a mystery on that, okay? And guys, so just to summarize, it's very beginner friendly, easy to follow, and it's a proven money making system. I use a lot of the tools and tricks and methods and strategies in this to make consistent money as well. So if you follow along, you should be able to as well. And guys, you'll be getting all of these bonuses if you do decide to use my link. Okay guys, so that wraps up my review of Commissions Made Simple. Like I said, it's a little bit highly priced, but with my bonuses, it is very attractive. And if you do decide to get it with my link, I do have an extra bonus for you. I'll be thanking you and asking you to whitelist my email. I have a video inside the email that shows you step by step how to do it. Very, very simple, it takes about a minute. And if you can take a screenshot, show me that you have whitelisted my email, I will gladly give you another awesome bonus that I gained a lot of value from, and I want you to have that too. All right, my friends, if you got value from this, please hit a like. If you have any questions about it, do leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until then, my friends, I really appreciate your time. And if you have any questions, let me know. and best of luck on your journey. This is Keiron Hogg, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.